We don't have to pretend that grief goes away. My mum said you never really get over it. She never really got over it. Some days are better than others, but that pain in your heart, it never really heals. You may heal around it, but it's still there. We all lose people, friends, family, inspiration. Because people are like fireworks. They may not last forever, but they gave us reasons to look into the sky and be grateful that they shared their light with us. Just because people are gone, it doesn't mean you have to forget them. You don't have to be brave. Carry on. Sometimes it takes more strength to hold on than it does to let go. You don't need permission to talk about the ones you love, because they remain in the jokes they told us, the times we cried together, the struggles we overcame, or the words they whispered in our ears when we needed them the most. Grief is painful, but it shouldn't rob us from talking, from saying, I remember, with a smile or a tear. We don't have to pretend that the fireworks didn't exist. Instead, we can appreciate the beautiful colors that rocketed through our skies and be grateful for the moments that they gave us, even if they didn't last forever. To all the fireworks we lost this year, thank you. Thank you for sharing your light with us. Thank you.